Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli qarindoshlar. Biz hozir Gollandiyadagi Xitoy elchixonasining oldida namoyish qilyapmiz. Bugun 2020 yil 8 oyning 20 kuni bu namoyishni Gollandiyadagi bir yerlik Gollandiya tashkiloti bilan Gollandiya har qaysi Uyg'ur tashkiloti birlashib o'rlashtirgan. Hozir Irshad qarindoshimiz bu vaqtda Shanjiburda.
Good afternoon, friends. Today we are again protesting against the Chinese government in front of Chinese embassy with the Extinction Rebellion organization. We are very thankful, and before we was in the Den Haag central station, now we are coming to front of Chinese embassy. Like how you see here, we just right down in front of Chinese embassy. On the floor, justice for Uyghurs, stop the genocide. It was really good idea. And also in the front of the Chinese embassy on the wall, it also written down, stop the genocide of Uyghurs, stop the genocide for Uyghurs. Okay, that was a really good demonstration today. Now I will ask Extinction Rebellion. Today we are here, and the reason why we are here. Please. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Hi, so we're from Extinction Rebellion Fashion Action. We're a grassroots activist movement against the climate emergency, but we also recognise how the fashion industry exploits human beings, and the case of the Uyghurs in the detention camps where they're enforced into labour for the fashion industry is a prime example of this. So we care really passionately about it, and that's why we wanted to collaborate with the Dutch Uyghur Human Rights Foundation and the East Turkestan Organisational Alliance today to express solidarity with the Uyghur cause and to fight for Uyghur liberation. It's an absolute atrocity that this genocide is occurring, and the fashion industry is complicit in it. Big brands like Nike, Gap, Zara are complicit in it, and we're determined to make sure that consumers know about this and that brands are going to start changing their behaviour so that they're not involved in a genocide in 2020. Thank you.
And thank you very much for this protest with us.
No, thank you.
We are really thankful. We hope, like you guys, Extinction Rebellion, and more other organizations can stand with the justice. We can stand with us. Of course, this is not only our issue. This is a whole humanity issue. So thank you very much. And yeah, that's it, my friends. I see you next time.
Okay.
And thank you again.
No, thank you.
Thank you.